everyone, welcome back to a new video. I don't have a silly video ready today, but I do have a single nail ready. I'm going to be using Genesis acrylic from Nailchemy. Can you see how unprepared I was for this video? Like very. I'm using, this is glistening rose, this is. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put this on the nail at the cuticle area, and it's going to go down in a slant. Now, if you're a left-hander, you might want to do the slant the other way, but I'm doing it this way because it's easier for me to work this way because I'm a right-hander. Okay, so we've got our glistening rose at the cuticle area going down in a slant. Now we're going to put another bead on of the same acrylic going in another slant the same direction as the first one. Then I've got some opal crush glitter from Nail Sugar. If you buy this from the website now, the chunks will be slightly smaller, just to warn you. I don't know if I told you, but this is it. Look, crushed opal. It's so nice. So those hexagonal bits will be a little bit smaller if you buy those from the website now. I'm also using Dippy Hippie. Oh, I love this one so much. So I'm going to put a little bit of crushed opal at the tip, the very tip as well. And when I'm picking up the glitter, I'm making sure I use a very small wet bead of acrylic to pick this up. Over the top of crushed opal, I'm going to put a little bit of Dippy Hippie. I always get it the wrong way around. So you want to use small beads because you don't want your nail to get thick. So I'm just going to show you see how thick the nail is at the minute, because you don't want it too thick, otherwise you'll start filing through your glitter, which is no good. So now we have done the base, we're going to go ahead and cap the nail in clear acrylic. I thought I'd keep this in because some of you like to see capping. I think I hate watching me cap because I think my encapsulation is, I probably should have put a bead at the free edge and then worked on my apex, but do you know what, it doesn't matter, just as long as it's capped. And you know, try and keep it nice and neat. When I cap, I cannot keep it neat for the, I don't know, I just yeah, but hey ho. So yeah, so I do go in with another bead, a smaller bead, just to, because the apex looked a little bit wonky donkey. So just a little bit, just to smooth it all out. I am a little bit out of shot. I do apologise. I've done this nail ages ago and I've been sitting on it for ages. And I thought, oh, I'll save that for a Wednesday, because I don't upload on a Wednesday. So it won't be a full, like, proper full length video kind of thing. You know, like a full set. There we go. So I'm going to leave that to set. Then I will go ahead and file and buff it. And it will look like this. Ta-da! So I'm going to show you it from the side as well. If you have clients that tend to break nails, you might want to make it a little bit thicker, but because this is for my flexi hand, she's an amazing client, she never breaks any of her nails, I don't need to make it thick. I am also going to be using Nailchemy's artisan gel paint in white. We're going to now create a little bit of detail on the nail. I've got my Nail Sugar Natalie Mugridge detailer brush. This is a 000 fine detailer brush. I absolutely love it. It's amazing. They will be back in stock very, very soon. We're just really waiting for the postal service to sort of get back to some kind of normality.
Whose post is it?
There is no post, darling.
Oh.
Maybe Saturday. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. So what I'm doing is I'm kind of outlining the glitter with the white gel paint. I'm making it like not a straight line. You want it to be nice and higgledy-piggledy. And then in a little dappen dish, I'm going to put a little bit of acrylic. That made me jump. It made me so jump. I didn't know what I was talking about. I meant acetone. So you need a little bit of acetone in a dappen dish. Then I'm not going to overly saturate my brush, but you want a bit of a wet brush, and you're just going to start patting the gel paint, and we're going to make a kind of marble. We're gonna fade the color out, and then some parts we're gonna marble. So can you see what I'm doing here? I'm pulling the color down, and then I'm going to turn it round, and the color at the bottom, you want to pull the color away from the glitter so that the bit that I've done that's nearest to the cuticle, I will then pull that colour down towards the cuticle as well. And then if you get lots of colour, you can I say lots of colour, if you get lots of drag, you can then start to marble the white. I think I'm making sense. You'll see what I mean anyway. So I don't marble it as much here. It's more between the other two lines. But you can see that colour will just start to come down, but you still want that nice defined line on the other side. You just want to literally just drag the one side. I think I'm making sense. Can you see how it looks a little bit like a marble at the tip now, at the free edge end? So I'm just going to carry on fiddling around and you can just watch. Okay, so now you've just watched for a bit. Once you're happy with how it all looks, you can pop that into the lamp. It's not going to cure until you've stuck it in the lamp. Okay, so I'm quite happy with that. I like how the marble looks at the free edge. Okay, then we need to seal it all in. So we're going to use Nailchemy's non-wipe top coat to do this. Oh, it's top coating time. This is like the best time, isn't it? Look how gorgeous that glitter is. Love it. You can get 10% off any glitter at Nail Sugar using code NATMUG10, by the way, all in caps. And I'm pretty sure Nailchemy still have a 20% off sale until the 1st of May. Look at that. So this could be a gorgeous accent now for a, yeah. Anyway, if you did like this video, please leave me a like. If you haven't already, do consider subscribing. Sorry it's not a funny video today, but I do like this nail very, very much. And I will see you beautiful lot tomorrow with a new one. Okay, love you all. Bye.